Surang is watching the dog while I'm splashing water to the dogs. There is the dog. Yeah, that's the dog. He's wet now because I'm splashing water so that he wouldn't die from the heat. I pity him. So wet now. Sarang, are you going to help the dog? Sarang, Sarang, why are you keep unlocking? Huh? The sun is getting hotter. It's almost got the shade from our roof. And their house is over there. That house. I went this morning to their house. I knocked on their gate. But no one's there. No people. Nobody home. They just leave the dog here. I don't know what happened. Then this morning or last night, that was this dog was so noisy that our dog also keep on barking because this dog keeps on barking here. Then when I woke up in the morning, I because there's dog always barking, I look up. Then I saw this dog was tied up over the log. And he cannot go because his the rope was tangled on so many woods, cut woods. That's why I tried to help him since this morning. I splashed water on him because the sun is so hot so that he won't die from the heat. And I threw also a beef bone. It is cold bone so that he can pick that and become cold. The bone is gone. I think he eats it. Now he's cleaning himself. I think he feels okay now. He's not feeling hot. He's very dirty because he's digging the soil. He make a hole. And I'm also waiting. I let him splash water so he's wet. And Sarang is always watching the dog. Here. Sarang, what are you thinking? Huh? Are you pity? Are you pity with the dog? Huh? Are you trying to think if you are like that and no one's help you? Yeah. And the dog now is not barking. He's quiet. I don't know where is the owner. They just leave their dog alone. But I don't know because nobody in their house. That house, that red, that red roof, and their lot is open wide big. Their house is beside the road, and ours is not. It's just at the back. So the The dogs is on their backyard. This lot is wide, and then there's a big space. This is beside our lot. And that is the jungle that Indy trying to go. That. And that is our roof there. See? It's quite jungle. But last week, they cleaned their area. They cut the trees over here. And I'm happy for that because I'm worried that there is snake because of so many trees. And this is what happened. The dogs was tangled down on the trees that they cut down. I don't know if they tie it there or this dog cut his roof and went here and tangled his roof on that cutting trees. See? Sarang, are you still watching? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Sarang, wanna help the dog? Sarang, what are you thinking? Sarang, huh? Hey, you feel pity with the dog? Huh? You might fall down there. What are you doing? Huh? Si Guchang is doing peekaboo. Huh? Wanna go down there? On the dog? Sarang? Huh? Wanna help the dog? Sarang, might fall there. Huh? Si Guchang is calling in. Where AK? Where is AK? It's getting okay. I hope his owner will go back home and he will be free. Sarang, are you okay there? Huh? Sarang, are you okay there? Sarang, Sarang, come here, very hot. Huh? Wanna rescue the dog? I'm going to rescue the dog. Huh? You wanna rescue the dog? Huh? Why just stay here? Hi, you wanna rescue the dog? That house. tasting there. And Sarang is watching.